It's a lovely sunny day today, hardly any clouds in the sky. I'm still waiting here in Banbury for things with the embassy, trying to get back home. So I'm gonna do a 40-kilometer ride today just to keep that body toned. Beautiful views to take in, clear skies, so nice day to ride. Time and again we pass through little villages like this. It's really beautiful, some of these things. Dating back, I don't know, from a long time ago. Can't say exactly when, but you can tell from how it looks. Really enjoy passing through these little towns or villages. Left. How horrible is this? How horrible. I'm always happy to see a deer or something passing by, but not like this. Seemed like someone knocked him down and just dragged it to the side. Always gotta be careful, including myself. Poor thing. Every hour or so I eat one of these while riding or when I stop to take a break. That's just to keep the energy going. I try to avoid taking high sugary stuff. These are more like slow release, but I try to avoid stuff with chocolate. It tends to melt, gets a little bit messy. So right now I just stopped to admire this field of wheat that looks like it's ready to be harvested. Kind of reminds me a lot of Thailand when it's time to harvest their rice. You get that same kind of brown gold color in the field. Kind of make me miss home. like to have a driveway that looks like this. How cool is that? Oh. Well, there's something I'd always get to see, huh? Okay, and there it is, 43 kilometers in 2 hours 50 minutes with average speed of 19 kilometers an hour. So there it is. Glad I did it. Keeps the body conditioned for the rides I'll have to do later on. It keeps my mind free from stressing out with all this stuff of trying to get back home, and it's just a good positive thing, and I will encourage everybody to pick up cycling.